Okay, so this is our question number 7 from Leetcode SQL 50. So here's the question, product sales analysis 1, and the question number is 1068. So here's the question, there are two tables here, the sales table and a products table. In the sales table, we have all of these columns, and there's some information on what is the primary key. For example, sales ID and year is the primary key, and then product ID is the foreign key. So that means it's a primary key in a different table. And then here are some details on the products table. We have the product ID and product name, and product ID in this table is the primary key. And then here's the question, write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Return the resulting table in any order. The result format is the following example. So let's look at the example. So our sales table has the sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, price, and the products table has the product ID and product name. And this is the expected output. So in this case, it would be product name, year, and price. So we are grabbing from our sales table, we are getting the year and price. So we are getting the year and the price. And then from our product table, we are getting the product name because we only have product ID here. We do not have the name. So that's why we need to join these two tables to get the name from our product table. So we can see 100 is Nokia, and then we have 100 again, which would be Nokia again. And then the third one would be 200, which is Samsung. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this table as our left table, as our base table. So I'm going to say select from our sales table, and let me just call it S. I'm going to give it an alias, and then I'm going to left join our product table, and I'm going to call it P, and then I'm going to join them on this common column, the product ID, because it's a foreign key in this table and a primary key in this table, so we can link them because this is where we can link these two tables and join them. So I'm going to say on s.product ID equals p.product ID, and now we have to select the column. So from our product table, I'm just going to select the product name. So I'm going to say p.product name. So this would be the product name, and then I'm gonna select the year from our sales table because the year is here, and then we have to also get the price from our sales table. So I'm gonna do comma s dot price, and this would be the price. And then do we have to sort it? Let's check here. Return the resulting table in any order. So we can leave it as this, or we can sort this. So let's just sort it on product name. So we can say order by product name. Let me run it now. Accepted. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.